In this video, I'd like to show you how to scrape unlimited targeted emails from Google for free. So the first step in this process is to search like this. Enter site space www.linkedin.com plus these commas and then @gmail.com. We will change this later on to different email providers and then plus whatever the niche is. So for example, I am personally looking for bloggers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the whole this and then I'm going to write bloggers over here. Once I'll do that, first thing first, what I will make sure is I have my settings in the search settings to be 100. Okay, so let me just change that to 100. Go to the bottom of the page and click on save. Okay, once that is done, now whenever you will do any kind of search, you will be able to see 100 listing. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm searching for bloggers on LinkedIn, and now to grab the emails, I'm not going to ask you to just copy paste them one by one. Just copy the whole page. Just say Control A and copy. And then this is the website for extracting the emails from a text. You can just search extract emails, and this should be the first listing. So just visit this website, paste that there, click on extract emails. Now you have all these emails. You can see that is a total of how many? 77 emails were found. I can now copy all of them, can say sheet.new. I'm just going to create a new Google Sheet so that I can keep them. I'm going to just paste them like this. So these are the emails of the people. Okay, I'm going to just get rid of this unwanted row, and now I can just scroll like that. Now you have the emails. Now if you want to send email to all of these people from your Gmail account, you can do that very easily. You can just install this add-on called Sendsimple app, and with Sendsimple app you can just enter the sender name, which is your name, which is going to be visible to the recipients. I'm going to just say Sanskar Tiwari, and then I'm going to just create a template. I'm going to say hello blogger, I have something for you. So I have been in this space for a while, and I just write something there. You can even choose personalization, so if you had more information, but we don't have that, so I'm just going to write a simple email. It will be automatically selected over here, so just give it a second. You can see it's selected. I'm just going to send it to the first person, I guess. I don't even want to send it to that, but overall you can see like the preview as well, and you can send a test email, and if the emails are correct, you can just click on send email. So this is how you can scrape unlimited targeted emails from Google's for free and send them email for free. So I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to comment and share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next